Hello class 6 students. In today's class we will start our new chapter 14 mensuration. It is very interesting chapter students. आपको बहुत मजा आएगा. Clear? Now what is mensuration students? Mensuration का meaning क्या है? Mensuration means measurement of the boundaries. Okay, what is mensuration? Mensuration is measurement of boundaries. अगर हम boundaries को measure करते हैं किसी भी figure की, then it means mensuration, right? Now student, there is one term that is perimeter. Perimeter, what is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter means sum of boundaries, right? मेंसुरेशन कर रहे हैं. मेंसुरेशन मैंने आपको बताया इट इज द मेजरमेंट ऑफ द बाउंड्रीज. ओके, अब मेजरमेंट ऑफ बाउंड्रीज को हम क्या बोलते हैं? दैट इज अ पेरीमीटर. इफ वी मेजर एंड ऐड ऑल द बाउंड्रीज देन इट बिकम्स पैरामीटर. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव दिस फिगर. हमारे पास ये फिगर है स्टूडेंट, राइट? सपोज दिस इज 5 सेंटीमीटर, दिस इज 3 सेंटीमीटर, दिस इज 1 and this is 2 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 2 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter and again this is 3 centimeter. Okay, ये हमने एक बड़ा सा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा सा फिगर लिया है. नाउ इफ आई से फाइंड आउट द पेरीमीटर ऑफ दिस फिगर स्टूडेंट, तो आपको एकदम समझ आना चाहिए कि पेरीमीटर मीन्स सम ऑफ ऑल द बाउंड्रीज. ओके, वी विल ऐड ऑल दीज बाउंड्रीज. 5 यहां से शुरू करते हैं. 5 + 3 + 4 +2 + 8 + 2 + 1 + 3, right? Add them. How much they are? 5 + 3 is 8 + 4 12, 12 + 2 14, 14 + 8 22, 22 + 2 24, 25 and 3 that is 28. What is the total? 28 centimeter. So this 28 centimeter is known as perimeter of a given figure. Clear students? Now one more figure. Suppose एक figure ये लिया student, 3 2 3 and 2. Now we have asked find out the perimeter of a given figure. So it is very simple. You add all the figure and what is the sum? 3 + 2 5 + 3 8 + 2 10. So all of them are in centimeter students. Okay, centimeter, centimeter, centimeter and this is centimeter. So our answer will be 10 centimeter. Clear hai students? So this is perimeter. So keep in your mind when the word perimeter comes, that means you have to add all the boundaries. Okay, good. Now we have some formulas. Suppose हमारे पास rectangle है, rectangle है and rectangle का आपको perimeter निकालना है. Rectangle perimeter. So what is the formula of rectangle to find out perimeter? That is, we will write perimeter P 2 in bracket L plus B. This is length and this is breadth. 2L plus B and bracket close. This is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle students. Clear है? इसको आप बिल्कुल ध्यान से लिख लें, मार्क लगा लें. It is important formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 bracket starts L plus B. Right students? Very good. Now student, we will do one example. Example says find perimeter of rectangle length given है and breadth हमको given है. Length is 20.4 centimeter and breadth is 10.6. Okay, this is the question, student. You have to find out the perimeter, right? So we have the formula: perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2l plus b, that is length and breadth. Okay, now we will put the values, student. What is the value of length? That is 20.4 plus breadth is how much? 10.6. So perimeter is equal to 20 and 10, 30, and this will become 31. So perimeter is equal to 22 into 31, that is 62 centimeter, student. This is your answer. Okay, now you can do these questions, type of these questions on your own now. Okay, now come to second example, second type of example. Again, length and breadth of a rectangle are in a ratio. What is the ratio? Length and breadth are in a ratio. And the ratio is 5:3. Okay, in such questions, student, you will convert this ratio into length. The first one is length, तो पहला वाला मेरा length कितना हो गया? 5x. Second one is 3, that is breadth, तो मेरा breadth कितना हो गया? 3x. You will multiply this ratio by any variable to convert them into length and breadth respectively. Okay, now we have length, that is 5x. हमने इस रेशियो कन्वर्ट कर लिया लेंथ में, एंड ब्रेथ इज इक्वल टू 3x, राइट? नाउ पेरीमीटर इट्स गिवन 32, हमको पेरीमीटर गिवन है, एंड द पेरीमीटर इज 32 सेंटीमीटर इट इज गिवन. पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. ओके, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट रेक्टेंगल, स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, नाउ द फॉर्मूला इज P इज इक्वल टू 2l प्लस b. व्हाट इज द पेरीमीटर? 32. हम इसको यहां रखेंगे वैल्यू को. 32 इज इक्वल टू 2. Length is how much? 5x plus 3x. Okay, 32 is equal to 2 bracket 8x. 32 is equal to 16x. So what is the value we will get from here? X is equal to, अगर हम यहाँ से x निकालेंगे, x is equal to 32 upon 16. Simplify, you will get 2. So value of x is 2. And you have to find out the dimension. Dimension means length and breadth. So what is the length here? Length is 5x. So you will multiply this. आप x की value रखेंगे, that is 2, 10 centimeter. And what is breadth? Breadth is 3x. 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6 centimeter. Right, students? So that's how you will do attempt these questions. Okay, students? Good. Now students, perimeter of a regular shapes. Regular means in which all the sides are equal. Okay, perimeter of a regular shapes. Perimeter of regular shape. What is the meaning of regular? Regular means all sides are equal. Okay, so be careful, beta. We are talking about regular shapes only, right? Now student, suppose you have a triangle A, B and C. All three sides are equal. Then perimeter of a triangle is equal to 3 into L. Simple, आप एक लेंथ लेंगे, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, you will get the perimeter. But this is the case in regular shapes only. Okay, ये जनरल के लिए नहीं है. For regular, regular means all sides should be equal. Clear, students? Now for quadrilateral square, in case of square, तो perimeter P is equal to 4 into side. Okay, clear, students? Good. Now come to the exercise, students. We will start our exercise. Exercise 14.1. Now find the perimeter of each of the following, students. Okay, question number 1 is find the perimeter of each of the following. I will do the E part for you and rest of the questions you will do yourself. Very simple question, students. You know what is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all the boundaries. Add all the boundaries and you will get the perimeter, right? Third part I am doing here, fifth part. A triangle is given to you. Dimensions are 20 centimeter, 25 centimeter and 24 centimeter, right? So you have to find out the perimeter, and I told you what is the perimeter, that is sum of all the boundaries. Add them, students. 20 plus 25 plus 24. आप ऐड करेंगे तो what you will get? 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 69. 69 centimeter. Right, students? So question number 1, all other parts you do on your own. Very simple question, students. Come to the question number 2. Question number 2, student. Question number 2 is find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are given below. Okay, length and breadth are given below. Length and breadth. First part I am doing for you 13 and 6. Length is 13 centimeter and breadth is 6 centimeter. Okay, first part I am doing for you. Question number 2, you know the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to P is equal to 2L plus B okay. Perimeter P is equal to 2. What is L here? L is 13 plus B is 6. So perimeter is equal to 2 and 13 plus 6 is 19. Then perimeter is equal to 19 into 2, that is 38. 38 centimeter, student. This is your answer, right? So do all other parts of question number 2 with same formula, put the values and calculate it, right? Now student, come to the third question. Find the perimeter of the square whose each side is 100 centimeter. Okay, first part I am doing here. Find the perimeter of the square. So perimeter of the square is equal to, perimeter regular size होते हैं, perimeter will be equal to 4 into side. Okay, perimeter is equal to 4 into what is the side? Side is 100. Okay, so perimeter will be 4 into 100, that is, so perimeter is equal to 4 into 100, students. P is equal to 400 centimeter. Why centimeter? Because 100 is given, side is given in centimeter to us. Okay, second part do on your own of question number 3. Question number 4, fill in the blanks. Now come to question number 4, students. Question number 4 is fill in the blanks for rectangle. Fill in the blanks for rectangle. ओके, हमको लेंथ किया हुआ है, ब्रेथ दिया हुआ है एंड पेरीमीटर गिवन है, राइट? फर्स्ट पार्ट आई एम डूइंग हियर. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द लेंथ, breadth 40 meter and perimeter is given 520 meter. Okay, you have to find out the length. Very simple, student. We will apply the formula. आपको फॉर्मूला मालूम है, L plus B होता है, perimeter 520 है, हम वैल्यू रखेंगे इधर, इज इक्वल टू 2. लेंथ कितना है स्टूडेंट, हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. व्हाट इज ब्रेथ? ब्रेथ इज 40 मीटर. वी विल राइट द वैल्यू 40. ओके, ओपन द ब्रैकेट. ट्वाइस ऑफ L प्लस 2 into 40 दैट इज 80. हमने ब्रैकेट को ओपन कर लिया स्टूडेंट. this 80 will transpose towards 520. 520 minus 80 is equal to twice of length, 20 and 60, so 440. 440 is equal to 12. What is the value of L? L is equal to 440 upon 2, 220. So your answer is 220 students. Clear है? Very simple question. Second part you do on your own. Come to question number 7. Question number 7 students, right? Question number 7 is find the cost of fencing of the square park. हमारे पास एक पार्क है. We have a square park students and you have to find out the cost of fencing. Fencing means हमको इसके चारों तरफ बाउंड्री करनी है, बाड़ लगानी है, राइट? बाउंड्री. फेंसिंग मीन्स आपको बाउंड्री लगानी है. नाउ द फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग और रेक्टेंगुलर फीट. उसका लेंथ मुझे दिया हुआ है 175. नहीं, फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग द स्क्वायर पार्क हुज साइड इज 240, 250 इन फैक्ट 250 सेंटीमीटर एंड द रेट इज, हमको रेट कितना दिया है उन्होंने? रेट इज ₹20 per centimeter. Okay, this is the rate for fencing. First of all, we will find out the perimeter student. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. So perimeter will be 4 into 250. That is equal to 1000 centimeter. Now, what is the rate? Rate is 20 per centimeter. Total area is 1000 centimeter. Total boundary and 20 rupees per centimeter वो चार्ज कर रहे हैं. तो rate will be cost of fencing is equal to rate of fencing is given to us this 20 rupees per centimeter. तो मेरा cost कितना आ जाएगा स्टूडेंट? Cost is equal to 1000 into 20, that is 20,000 rupees. Okay, what is the cost of fencing? That is 20,000 rupees students. Okay, good. Now student, come to question number 9. Question number 9 of your exercise. Question number 9 is the length and the breadth of a rectangular park in the ratio. Rectangular park है and the length is to breadth हमको रेशियो गिवन है, that is 5:3. Okay, and perimeter is equal to 64 student, right? You have to find out the dimension. Very simple question and important also. First of all, we will convert, let length is equal to 5x and breadth is equal to 3x, 5x and 3x. So perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. You know that's formula. Perimeter हमको given है 64 is equal to 2. What is length? 5x, 3x, 2 bracket 8x, right? We will open the bracket. 64 is equal to 16x. Find out the value of x. X is equal to 64 upon 16, that is 4. So x is, the value of x is 4. 16 4s are 64. So what is the breadth now? Breadth is 5x, that is 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20 centimeter. Meter students. Perimeter is given in meter, so our dimensions will be in meter only. 3x means 3 into 4, that is 12 meter. Okay, this is your answer students. Good. Now come to question number, now come to the last question student. Last question of your exercise, question number 10. The cost of fencing a rectangular park is ₹14.60 per meter. Cost of fencing park यानी कि ₹14 point, this is question number 10 student, 14.60 per meter, right? This is the cost of fencing. Now total cost is given to us. Total cost is how much? Is 1606. इतना टोटल कॉस्ट है फेंसिंग का, वो हमको दे दिया उन्होंने. एंड रेट पर मीटर इज ऑल्सो गिवन टू अस. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, इफ द विड्थ ऑफ द फील्ड विड्थ इज इक्वल टू 23, find its length. We have to find out its length. So in such questions, student, what you will do, you will divide the cost by the rate per meter to get the perimeter, students, right? What you will get? You will get the perimeter. So what we will do, how you will get the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to total cost upon cost per meter, right, students? Put the values. 16 perimeter is equal to 1606 upon 14 decimal 60. Remove the decimal, put 2 zeros here, right? Cancel 1 0. 146. Now student, you will simplify it and you will get 110. So you get the value of perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 110. Now you have to find out the length. You know the formula, perimeter is equal to 2L plus B. Perimeter आपने निकाल लिया, 110 is equal to 2. Length हमको find out करना है, breadth is 23, right? So 110, ये 2 इधर ले आएंगे हम, डिवीजन हो गया, 2 5s are 10 and 2 5s are 10 is equal to L plus 23. Okay, now L इधर रखेंगे, 23 उधर आ जाएगा. What you will get? ट्रांसपोज किया हमने, इस ब्रैकेट में करता हूँ, 55 इज इक्वल टू L प्लस 23. हमें 23 इधर ले आएंगे, 55 माइनस 23 इज इक्वल टू L. 5 माइनस 3 हाउ मच? 2 एंड 5 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 3. सो लेंथ इज इक्वल टू 32 इज योर आंसर, स्टूडेंट, राइट? सो दैट्स हाउ यू विल डू दीज क्वेश्चंस. Exercise 14.1 is completed, students. Do each and every part of the questions neatly in your copies. Copies will be checked by your teachers, right? Okay, bye bye, take care.